Hey guys, here we got my Giant Rain 2018. It's got some cool parts on it, hey. Like, I put this big fat flat spot in it, so it's added stability when you're going off jumps. It's way better for you. I'm pretty sure it's the RockShox Deluxe RCT3. Yeah. Also got this really cool little red cable end stopper. Didn't you just ask for that?
No, mate. Oh, so you're running 65 in the front tyre and the rear tyre?
Yeah.
That's hard, but park pressures, I guess.
Yeah.
What about the suspension?
69,000 PS. I've got the guide LTCs. I don't know if you can see them, they're just there, yeah. It's painted for jewels, for extra braking power. Look at the ass guy, fucking so much
Shout out
grip.
Greg Minnar.
Yeah, no, I designed him. Fuck Greg Minnar.
Oh, the new linkage, sorry.
Yeah.
What's it called again?
It's stick linkage, apparently. It's pretty sick. Damn hill pedals, don't forget that. Fucking love that guy. He was sick, but you'll come back.
The grips are pretty custom, aren't they? You made them custom?
Yeah. We run tubes too, because tubeless is pointless. No, I got a flat. It's in between a medium and a large.
So
Yeah, look at how slow I can get it to go.
that's 190mm if anyone was wondering. What hubs do you run? i9?
Industry 9 DT Swiss, yeah. It's a new collaboration.
Holy shit! Do a jib real quick or something cool on it. Like a 90.
If I can use your thongs, I will.
Why not your thongs?
Because I don't want to fuck my thongs.
Alright, use my thongs. Yo, that's. Do you think you can tire slide the log or something?